Within 2 minutes of the start of the ride, got a puncture, got me thinking, this is probably something you need to learn how to fix if you've got an e-bike. You've got to fix the normal puncture, but you've also got to be careful because of these nuts here. They're 10mm. Most multi-tools don't have one. I've got a Mini 9, which is going to help. But yeah, you really should learn how to fix a puncture if you have an X35 eBikeMotion. You've got to take these nuts off, and then also the washer. You've got to do this on both sides before you can get the wheel off. After you've taken the nuts out, you'll need to remove this furring from the bike as well. This needs to come off because you need to disconnect the battery from the hub motor here. Definitely don't want to be losing these screws, so best to keep them safe. I prefer to leave the screws in the furring for these two parts. Just makes it easy to get the furring back on. Keep that secure, and then you just disconnect the power. Once that's done, you can remove the wheel like on any normal bicycle. After the wheel is off, just use your tyre levers to remove the tyre. This should be pretty easy, pretty quick. Let's do that. Once that's done, just pull out the inner tube and put a new one in there. Once the new tube is in, just use your tyre levers just to get the tyre back onto the rim, and then pump it up with whatever method you have with you. I have a pump that uses CO2, so that's pretty quick. I don't particularly want to spend 45 minutes pumping up my tyre. Once the tyre is pumped up, you can just connect the wheel like you would on any normal bicycle as such. Then an important part is the cables have arrows on them. You need to make sure you align them properly, and then just push that together until it clicks. So that's your power back in place. Once you've got the power reconnected, it's time to reconnect the furring. Just need to screw these back in. The reason I like to leave them in the furring is it just makes this step a little bit easier. It's a bit tricky trying to line them up with a multi-tool that doesn't have magnetic ends. And then the final screw means the furring is back on and complete. The final step is pretty important. You have these washers. They have a notch at the top end here. This needs to line up with the recess in the axle, like that. Once you've got that done, put on a nut, get your 10mm wrench, tighten it up a little bit, and then you're ready to get on your way. Here is the 3D printed beacon holder for the bike. It connects via the GoPro mount. So I'll be checking this out today, see how it works. Should make it a bit more easy than trying to hold it in my hand and steer at the same time. This is about to get super steep now. Holy cow, that's steep. How's this for a bus stop? Bunch of comfy chairs for when it's sunny. You got a cover here. You got a shop down there to get some food. Got a little table to relax with, and a tremendous view over the Saitama countryside. So yeah, that's pretty good. Give that a 7, I reckon. This is Hodosan Shrine in Nagatoro, the foot of the Mount Hodo. The shrine was built around 110 AD. Legend has it that the shrine was built by Takeru Yamamoto. Yamamoto and his soldiers visited the area in 110 AD and decided to climb Mount Hodo. While climbing up, a forest fire came raging towards them. At the last moment, black and white ghost dogs appeared and put out the fire, saving the climbing party's life. The ghost dogs then just vanished without a trace. To thank and honour these ghost dogs, Takeru built Hodosan Shrine. Prayers at the shrine are said to provide safety for the family, protect against fire and other natural disasters. These are dango, or Japanese dumplings made from glutinous rice, chewy in texture and coated with a sweet miso paste. They're heated over charcoal for additional flavour. Also available are the soy sauce flavoured potato croquet with beef. These were pretty good. If you found this interesting or informative, give it a like and subscribe.